All right, good evening, YouTube. Or should I say, yeah, good evening. That's right. As you can see, I'm starting to get dark. We're losing light out here. But I'm about to place my transmission mount. As you can see, it's kind of worn down a little bit. So it's kind of separated right there. That's how I know I need to replace it. I got the new one in my car, but yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna try to race against time before it get dark. It shouldn't take that long. Very simple. Unscrew and, lift the engine up, transmission up there, and try to scoop it out of there. That's all I got to do. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, that's the goal right now. All right, YouTube, I got two of the top bolts out. As you can see right here, two of the top bolts right there. Got these two out. Now I'm gonna go take the two bottoms out, and I get back with you. All right, YouTube, I got the bottom screws out. See under here, got these two bottom screws out right here. I don't know if y'all can see that one there. And I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm using my cell phone, so got the weird angles. One there. Of course, I got the two top ones. I don't know if y'all can see, it's kind of getting dark out here. Got both of these off, so that's good. So all I got to do now is basically just lift the engine up a little bit, give me space to get it out. It don't take long. In all, it might take me probably like what 10-15 minutes if I do this. It won't take long to do it. And you see, I got my support jack there for support. My bit jack here. So yes, that'll be my next go around. So stay tuned for the next part. I'm sorry, the next part. You see right here, YouTube, I'm trying to pry it out right here. I got it out, but I think I might need to look on it some more. I think I might need to, hold on, YouTube, look on it some a little bit more. It ain't quite coming out yet. As you can see right here, that should be enough right there, y'all. Y'all can see, I know it's hard to see because it's dark, I know. I'm trying to get this before it get too dark, yo. Wow, it still ain't coming out yet. Wow. Let me see something. I can just try to. There we go. Yeah, there we go. All right. See that, YouTube? Here it is. Here's the old tram. Yeah, it's broken. You can see it right there. It's broken. Yeah, y'all see that? Smush. Let me show you the new one versus the old one here. Go in here and get the new one. It won't take long to do it. Very simple job. All right, so y'all know how they look. There's the new one. See that, yo? Here's the new one and the old one. See that? Well, I got the wrong way. Yeah, see how that sticking broke down? See how tight that is there? You can see the similarities right there. You see how it's smushed right there. See how it's taller? That's how I know it ain't no good. You can see the height difference. It ain't much, but there's a height difference on it. That's how I know it ain't no good. So yeah, this is worn out. And this the brand new one. Still got the name tag on it. So let me get that in. That'll be it, yo. That's all I have to do. Now I'm pretty sure they can put them in any kind of way. There's no particular way you put them in, whether this way or that way, going one way. I assume it do. I know it came in no particular way to go in. This where the sticker is, so it don't matter. I guess I just put it in like this here. Try it like this. All right, yo. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's dark. It's kind of hard to see. Oh, this. Man, I might need to lift it up some more. Hold on, yo. Stay tuned, yo. I gotta adjust something. All right, y'all. I got it on. I wanted it supposed to be separated like that. When I put it on, I'm not sure. That's kind of weird that it separated like that. I might have damaged it already. It looks like I already damaged it. Lord hammer. I done damaged the damn thing already. I'm not even sure. It looks like I don't know. All I did was put it on there and let it down. And that's what happened, yo. I'm not sure why I did that, but I got it on. I'm gonna see once I get through though. I got it on, as you can see right there. So let me finish doing what I'm doing. I get back. Okay, YouTube. Due to the darkness out here, I can't see nothing, and y'all can't see nothing. So I'm at the end of the video right here. Cause my flashlight ain't working. I don't know why. I don't understand why it ain't working. Flashlight still ain't working. I don't know what's going on. But as you can see, I got it on YouTube right there. It's kind of dark, barely to see, but it's on there. I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here, but I got the old new one on, the old one right here. So I'm gonna end it right there. That's how you change a motor mount on a 2007 Chevy Impala.